Hello, newcomers. It's Mrs. Prescott. I hope you're doing good. I miss you so much. This week in music, we are going to be playing drums. But we are going to use things from your house to play drums. So, first I have a plate. Just a plate. I'm going to turn it upside down and put it down in front of me. Then I have a plastic container for food. I have another plastic container for food. And I have another plastic container for food. Then I have a pot, cooking pot. I'm going to turn it upside down and play on here. Okay. Then I have a box of cereal. This is a box of cereal. And I put foil. This is called foil. I put this all around it. Okay. Then I have a cup of macaroni. Macaroni and cheese. Okay. Then I have a whisk. And I have a spatula. These are going to be my drumsticks. I'm going to play with these. So watch. Okay, so today you find some things in your house, find some drumsticks, and then make drums, and you make a video playing your drums, okay? And then send me your video so I can see you playing your drums, okay? I can't wait to see you playing your drums. Bye.